Hello friends, in this video, I intend to teach you how to register with the broker Zero Markets. You go to the Forex broker section, select the Zero Markets broker, and click on Go to Website. You enter the website and click on Open Account. And in this section, you enter your first name and last name, along with your email address. And to save your information in the browser, you click on Remember Me. And to confirm that you are not a robot, you click on this option. And finally, you click on Create Account. A code will be sent to your email and you go to your email. You select Zero Markets and copy this code. Then paste it in this section. Please note that this code is only valid for 20 minutes. After entering the code, click Continue. In the next step, you will create a password for your account. I recommend that you use uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, and that it be between 6 and 15 characters. And finally, in this section, if you have a referral code, you enter it. If you don't, you can get it from our support team. Then you click on Create My Account to access your account. To open a demo or live account, you click on this option and we select Live. In this section, you choose your platform. You will see the platform guide. You select your platform. You can see the platform guide. You enter the desired amount along with the leverage and password for each of your deposits. And in the lower section, you select your account type and we choose the standard option. And finally, you click on Create My Account. Your live account has been successfully created. And in the next video, I will very carefully teach you how to activate your account on Zero Markets. Good luck!